So there's someone in your life that you would like to have miss you, to want to be with you, want to spend more time with you. You know, you can get them to miss you without calling them, without texting them, without chasing them, by using a few secrets from the law of attraction. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. It's free. You find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. Visit us at our new website, lawofattractionsolutions.com. So, high flyers, if you're living in the 3D world and you believe everything happens as a result of your physical action, then you will do things like call, you will chase, you will beg, you will plead, you will send flowers, you will send boxes of chocolate. I mean, you just go out of your way to get somebody interested in you or to get someone to miss you. But listen to me, you don't need to do that. As a matter of fact, by texting and over following them on their social media accounts and chasing them and wanting them and needing them, by doing that, you're actually pushing them away. You're making it more difficult for yourself. Sometimes people say, well, I just want to talk to them. I want to send them a letter. And so they send this long, drawn out letter as if that letter is going to have some kind of magical spell attached to it to get that person to miss you. This is important. If someone misses you, it's because your vibration and your frequency are in harmony and you are drawing them to you. Remember, high flyers, we attract what we are, not what we want. So we have to become the magnetic frequency that draws that person to us so that they start missing us and thinking about us and dreaming about us. It's possible, it's probable, it's very easy with the law of attraction. I believe if you'll follow the few keys that I have in this video, and you may want to watch it several times and stay with me till the end, your vibration will turn into a magnetic frequency that begins to draw this person to you, begins to get this person missing you, begins to get this person wanting you. Now, high flyers, here's an absolute truth. As your personal power expands, as your self-esteem grows, your magnetism grows with it. Your magnetism grows with your self-esteem, your confidence, and your personal power. So on my mirror in my bathroom, in my bedroom, I have affirmations like this. And you can print them up on your computer, do it real nice. You can do it with your handwriting, however you want to do it. It doesn't have to be big. And you can just tape this to your mirror. Just tape it to your mirror. Okay. Here are the affirmations you need to write down and you need to say every morning, standing in front of that mirror. Okay, look at, you got out of bed, you've taken your shower, and now stand in front of the mirror and do this work. Or get dressed and then stand in front of the mirror. Either way, but stand in front of the mirror and say, I love you. And mean it. Feel it from your gut, from your heart center. Use your own name. Robert, I love you. The next affirmation you're going to say is, and you're going to put your hands over your heart and say, I am a magnet for love. I am a magnet for love. Every day, in every way. I am getting better and better. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. The one that I desire and love also desires and loves me. There is a special person who misses me, who can't stop thinking about me, and I am open to them. There is a special person, you can mention their name, who misses me and who desires me, and they can't stop thinking about me. And I am open to them. You want to say, I am open to them at the end, because you want to send out the vibration that you're not a brick wall. Okay, if somebody misses you, if somebody's thinking about you, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to act on it. They may have fears about acting on it. So it's important to remove as many of those fears as possible by simply saying, I am open. I am open. It's a beautiful thing. Say this affirmation in front of the mirror while you are falling asleep at night and when you first arise in the morning. I am irresistible to my special person. You can say their name. Even without me doing anything, their desire for me grows. Their desire for me grows. It's absolutely essential that from this moment on, that you are going to believe totally and completely in your magnetism. That you are going to believe totally and completely in your confidence and your personal power. Because without that confidence, without that personal power, without that belief in your magnetism, you can't excite the energy field enough to work on your behalf, the universe. So you have to have the belief. Choose the belief. Belief is a choice. Choose it, live it, reaffirm it every single day. Allow your vibration and your personal power and your magnetism to do the work for you. Stop chasing. Stop needing. Stop running after this person. Allow your vibration to do the heavy lifting. It really works. Do the mirror exercise every single day and do it religiously. Next, high flyers, make certain that you are moving your body, that you are eating clean, that you are becoming the best version of you. Build a life. This is so important. Build a life that is so wonderful, so incredible, that they can't resist thinking about you, missing you, wanting you, desiring you. They want to be a part of this incredible world, this incredible life that you are and you've built. Finally, I'm going to leave you with power pillow talk. So when you are lying in bed, you're squeezing that pillow. This one is a little bit different, so don't tune out yet. You're squeezing that pillow and you are falling asleep. And you are holding that pillow as if you were holding them. Say the following pillow talk. I know you miss me. I feel how much you desire me. When you are ready, contact me. And you will say that over and over and over until you fall asleep. That message literally goes into their subconscious mind. And you say, well, how does that happen? They're across the world or they're across the country. It does it because you are falling into your subconscious and they are in their subconscious, or going to be. Maybe they have a different sleep schedule, but they're going to be. And that message via the infinite field of potential or the universe is going to connect with their subconscious. And it's almost like a positive affirmation for them. I miss this person. I desire this person. I want to see this person. This power pillow talk, it's powerful. That's why I call it powerful pillow talk. It really works. Okay. Now, there's no doubt in my mind that you can get that special person to miss you, to think about you, to desire you. You are perfect. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.